October 1st of each year is National Black Dog Day. Colleen Paige, an expert specializing in family and pet life, set up the National Black Dog Day on October 1st, 2011. On the same day, many pet shelters will vigorously promote the adoption of black dogs. Black dogs have black gold fur and pink tongue because people's misunderstanding and prejudice against black make these innocent and kind babies miss many happy times. Some older people believe that black dogs can bring bad luck and misfortune. However, black does not change the love and healing power of black dogs. There was a little black dog who used to wander in the field. After arriving at the new house, this black dog slipped out of the house one day with a new blanket in the mouth. This black dog's hostess followed him to peep, only to find that the little black dog shared the blanket with the other homeless dog friends. Black dog is so kind. How can it be unlucky? In addition, black dogs have cute patterns that other dogs can't learn from. That is, they can't distinguish between the positive and the negative, or they simply become shadows. A netizen once shared the story of the black dog in his family. One night, it suddenly rained heavily. He warned the black dog outside to come in. He went to the door and called his black dog's name, but it was too dark for him to see his dog. Later, he turned on the flash of his mobile phone. When he saw his black dog sitting in front of him, he had to say it. "Sorry, honey, you've been here all the time." All dogs are born with beautiful clothes, as long as the owner takes good care of them. Black will also be shining black. When we look at the noble black clothes of black baby, we really feel a sense of achievement. The black coat color will not affect the intelligence, consideration, and loveliness of the black dog. The National Black Dog Day focuses on those low-key black dog babies so that more people can see their good side and help them fight for more happiness opportunities. The black dogs are loyal and honest. Black dogs are cute and charming, but they always miss the chance to be loved because of their black appearance. In fact, the black appearance of black dogs is also a beauty that other dogs cannot imitate.